Welcome MGV Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City, Department of Geography, Class FYBSc Semester 1st, Paper 2nd, Code 112, Geography of Atmosphere and Hydrosphere. We are to discuss on the syllabus of FYBSc Semester 1st, Paper 2nd, Introduction to Physical Geography. Physical Geography are two parts. First part, paper 1st, Geomorphology, and second paper, Atmosphere and Hydrosphere, which are the learning the first semester. So what is the syllabus of the Geography of Atmosphere and Hydrosphere? Physical parts. Let's go to the syllabus. Unit 1, Introduction to the Atmosphere. The learning point of this unit: point A, definition and evaluation; point B, composition of the atmosphere; point C, structure of the atmosphere; point D, weather and climate, element of weather and climate. Unit number 2, insolation. The learning point of the insolation: point A, definition and mechanism of the heat transfer, conduction, convection and radiation; point B, heat budget of the earth; point C, factor affecting on horizontal distribution of temperature; point D, vertical distribution of temperature, lapse rate and inversion of temperature. Unit number 3, atmospheric pressure and wind system. This unit learning point A, meaning and measurement of atmospheric pressure; point B, vertical and horizontal distribution of pressure, pressure belt; point C, concept of pressure gradient and its relation with wind; point D, type of winds. There are the three types of winds: first type, planetary winds; second, periodic wind; and third, local wind. Last unit of this syllabus, semester 1st, unit number 4, introduction to the hydrosphere. The learning of the hydrosphere: point A, definition, hydrological cycle; point B, general structure of ocean floor; point C, movement of ocean water and the under of the ocean water; point A 1, wave characteristic of sea wave; point 2, ocean current, meaning, causes and type; third, tides, meaning of tides, causes of tides and types. We have covered to first semester paper 2nd, Geography of Atmosphere and Hydrosphere. Now let's learn first chapter, Introduction to the Atmosphere, part 1st. Introduction to the atmosphere. Definition and evaluation, composition of the atmosphere, structure of the atmosphere, and weather and climate, elements of weather and climate. This is the content of the introduction of the atmosphere. Now we have to discuss about the definition of the evaluation, composition of the atmosphere. We have covered to first part. First thing, what is atmosphere? The atmosphere, the earth covered by the surrounding of the earth covered by air, which is known as the atmosphere. The surrounding of the earth, there are the two spheres. First, living sphere and second, non-living sphere. The first sphere, the atmosphere, this is the form of gases. Second is the lithosphere. Lithosphere, this is a form of land. Third, the hydrosphere, this is the form of water, and the combustion of this sphere, this is known as the biosphere, and biosphere is the living organism. But we have to discuss about the atmosphere. Atmosphere, this is the vast expanse of air envelops the earth. जिस तरह हम कोई भी इन्वेलप में लेटर रखते हैं, उसी तरह अर्थ के ऊपर क्या कवर किया गया है? एयर से ये अर्थ को इन्वेलप किया गया है। थर्ड पॉइंट, अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के अट्रैक्शन से एयर और जो गैसेस है वो सराउंडेड ऑफ द अर्थ को कवर किया है। नाउ द एटमॉस्फेयर इज द ब्लैंकेट ऑफ द एयर that surround the earth. Definition: the earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called the atmosphere. It provides us with the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effect of sun rays. The atmosphere absorbs the energy from the sun, recycle water and other chemicals, protect us from high energy radiation and freeze the vacuum of space. The atmosphere protects the support of life. Evaluation. There is 3 stages in evaluation of the present atmosphere. Look at the 2 pictures, Earth perbiotic atmosphere, Earth modern atmosphere. यहाँ पे दोनों पिक्चर में डिफरेंट गैसेस दिखाई दे रही है। गैसेस में सिर्फ वन साइड फर्स्ट पिक्चर में दिख रहा है कि पूरा लैंड एरिया कवर है, ओशन है, और यहाँ पर डिफरेंट टाइप्स की हेलियम, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड, मीथेन, डिफरेंट टाइप्स की गैसेस है। वीकली रिड्यूस द एटमॉस्फेयर, ये एटमॉस्फेयर को रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं। तो द फर्स्ट स्टेज इज मार्क्ड बाय द लॉसेस ऑफ प्रीमोर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर। At the time of the Earth formation around 4 billion years ago, there was no atmosphere. जब 4.5 बिलियन ईयर पहले जब अर्थ का फॉर्मेशन हुआ था, इस वक्त कोई भी एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेजेंट नहीं था। द सेकेंड स्टेज, द हॉट इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू द इवेल्युएशन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर। जब अर्थ के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ हुआ, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ होने की वजह से क्या हुआ? वोल्केनिक एक्सप्लोजन अफेक्ट हुआ, जिससे सब्सटेंस ऑफ द इंटीरियर मेनली वाटर वेपर, डिफरेंट टाइप्स की गैसेस और वाटर वेपर्स, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन, सल्फर, ये सब क्या हुई? रिलीज हुई। द एटमॉस्फेयर होल्ड अ certain amount of water vapor, so exceed condense into liquid water to form of ocean. उसकी वजह से कंडेंसेशन बना, कंडेंसेशन होने की वजह से लिक्विड वाटर हुआ और ओशन में फॉर्म हुआ। कंट्रीब्यूट द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर। फाइनली द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर वाज मॉडिफाइड बाय द लिविंग वर्ल्ड थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस। उसके बाद क्या हुआ? फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस हुआ। सेकंड जो पिक्चर है, सेकंड पिक्चर में आपको दिख रहा होगा, यहाँ पर प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स ग्रो अप हुए हैं। द अर्ली एटमॉस्फेयर विथ हाइड्रोजन एंड हेलियम इज सपोर्ट टू हैव बीन स्ट्रिप ऑफ अ रिजल्ट ऑफ सोलर विंड। दिस हैपन नॉट ओनली इन केस ऑफ अर्थ बट ऑल्सो इन ऑल द टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट विच वे आर सपोज टू हैव लॉस्ट देयर एटमॉस्फेयर through impact of solar wind during the cooling of the earth. Gases and water vapor was released from the interior solid earth. This start evaluation of present atmosphere. जब वोल्केनिक eruption हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसका कूलिंग हुआ। कूलिंग होने के बाद फिर उसमें चेंजेस आए। चेंजेस आने के बाद क्या हुआ, एटमॉस्फेयर की इवोल्यूशन होना स्टार्ट हुआ। द इवोल्यूशन लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ रिक्वायर्ड ऑक्सीजन देयर इन्वायरमेंट प्रिमेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ प्लांट लाइफ। इसके बाद क्या हुआ, प्लांट ऑक्सीजन इन्वायरमेंट में ऑक्सीजन इंक्रीज होने के बाद प्लांट का इवोल्यूशन हुआ। डेवलप in ocean and began the release small amount of oxygen into the atmosphere as on waste product from the cycle of photosynthesis, nitrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, neon. This is built up of atmospheric oxygen eventually lead to the formation of the ozone layer. This layer approximately 8 to 30 km above the surface help us level of the harmful ultraviolet radiation decreases, so plants were able to move progressively higher level in the ocean. This helped to boost photosynthesis and thereby the production of oxygen. Today this element reached level where life was being sustainable on the surface of the plant through its present, and it should be remembered that oxygen is an element which is not commonly found in the universe. Composition of the atmosphere. The composition of the atmosphere compose several gases, water vapor and dust particle, etc. The atmosphere is composed mainly important gases. Look at this picture. First gases, second column percentage by volume. The highest percentage of the gases, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 20%, argon 0.9, carbon dioxide 0.3, neon 0.018, helium 0.0052, methane 0.015 and krypton 0.0011. Nitrogen and oxygen which makes about 99% of clean dry air. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and other gas like carbon dioxide, argon and other compress 1% by volume. Composition of the atmosphere. The first point, gases. There are some important gases of the atmosphere. First, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the important to protein which is found in the body tissue of all living things. Nitrogen is cycled through the soil and into plant and finally when living things die and decay. Oxygen. Oxygen is vital for the survival of the humankind. Nitrogen vital for plant life and entry for animal life. Carbon dioxide. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Ozone. Ozone protects us for the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Second composition, water vapor. The water vapor, the steam is released which is the gaseous form of water. This is the water vapor. The ocean and solar energy radiation. On the first layer of ocean, the evaporation transition effect and evaporation condensation on the atmosphere. There are the different water vapor molecules below on the atmosphere. Third, dust particle. All these gases hold in suspension several particles of dust whose size amount vary, so are visible and while other invisible. There are the two types of the dust particle. First, inorganic, second, organic. Inorganic like that, smoke, rock particles, salt particles, seed, meteoritic dust, volcanic ash. This is the visible dust particle. And organic like that, pollen grains, bacteria, macroscopic organism. This is the invisible dust particle. The first part have covered it. First, atmosphere, and second, evaluation, and third, composition of the atmosphere. First part have covered it. Last, question answer. Question number 1, write answer in one sentence. Question can be asked for number 1, define atmosphere. Number 2, how many nitrogen gases volume in the atmosphere? Question number 3, give the name of the gases in atmosphere. Number 4, function of atmosphere, function of nitrogen, function of the carbon dioxide. What is the water vapor? Last, what is the dust particle? Question number 2, write the answer in short note. Write the evaluation of atmosphere. Write the composition of the atmosphere. This is the short note. Thank you.